Every manufacturer today faces the same challenge. Products must be lighter, faster, stronger, and more cost-effective. And yet, the most critical factor in achieving that is often the most overlooked: the surface. That's where BCMobile comes in. It's a connected, intelligent tool that provides you with a network to manage your surface and bonding quality. BCMobile is part of your BConnect network, which brings quick and easy surface quality monitoring to your production process. Surfaces are prepared every day, cleaned, blasted, treated, or wiped. But unless you can verify their quality at the molecular level, performance is left to chance. BCMobile verifies surface quality in just 2 seconds, and it works across the processes that matter most: bonding, coating, sealing, painting, printing, and cleaning. BCMobile is built for real-world manufacturing, with its universal inspection head, guided readings, a catalog of experiments, easy-to-use touchscreen, flexible tether, and removable handle. It's simple to measure any surface accurately without slowing production down, whether it's a flat surface or a surface with complex geometries. For years, surface testing stayed locked in the lab. BCMobile takes it directly to the production floor, and because it's connected to the BConnect platform, every measurement becomes part of a shared network, accessible to teams across plants, suppliers, and even continents. Each BCMobile device streams results in real time, so your data is available instantly. Measurements can be tracked, compared, and shared across your organization, creating a common language for quality and driving continuous improvement. BCMobile uses Brighton Science's patent ballistic deposition process to deliver fast and reliable water contact angle measurements. With features like Gem Drop for precise fluid control, lucent lighting for reflective surfaces, and temperature-stabilized cartridges, you can trust every result, no matter the geometry. Failures rarely come from bad materials. They're caused by human decisions or environmental conditions that traditional tests miss. BCMobile changes that. Fast, non-destructive inspections at critical control points help you catch problems before they leave the factory. And through continuous cloud updates, your system gets better over time, unlocking new levels of productivity. In a world where performance and cost matter more than ever, surface quality is the foundation. BCMobile puts the controls in your hands and connects your entire enterprise. Brighton Science. Solve, prevent, control.